Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove password protection for a spreadsheet in Excel. So firstly open your protect. So friends, we have this file and its required password. So friends, we have this file and its required password. So firstly enter your current password. Now click on file. Now info. As we can see, a password is required to open this workbook. So to remove password, click on this drop down. Click on encrypt with password. Now remove password. Then click on OK. So remove password and leave as blank. Then OK. Now close it. Click on save changes. Now try to open this file again. So as we can see, now it's not required a password to open this worksheet. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by this easy and simple steps we can know how to remove password protection for a spreadsheet in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.